Hey guys, this is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got another bargain bike special with me here today. It's a 2005 Suzuki C90 Boulevard. It's got a 1,474cc motor, backed by a 5-speed transmission. It is fuel injected. It's oil and air cooled. Got your battery tender pigtail here. Looks like somebody added a chrome cover for this oil cooler up here. Of course, you got your engine guards, your highway pegs. Nice big wide floorboards, wide pedals. Now we keep our bargain bikes in a separate area from our frontline bikes. We sell them as is. We're able to make good deals on these bikes and pass the savings on to you. You can see this marking right here on the gas tank. It's got a set of upgraded Cobra full-length pipes. Nice chrome on those pipes. We also got a studded, upgraded Mustang seat. It's a Mustang touring seat. It's got an adjustable driver's backrest. I have this seat on my bike and it is very comfortable, guys. Very comfortable. Got the studded Suzuki bags to match that seat. Got a few wear marks on these bags. Nothing too major. Got a nice tire on the rear with plenty of tread. Looks like you got some chips in the clear coat right here on the rear fender. You also got a spot here on the rear fender. A few scratches. Now this bike is shaft driven. Very reliable maintenance, low maintenance drive units. And the bike is fuel injected like I mentioned. It starts up real easy on those cool mornings. Got your heel toe shifter. Upgraded grips. Adjustable brake and clutch levers. I think somebody added these chrome caps for the master cylinders for the clutch and the brake. It's got a hydraulic clutch. Somebody also went ahead and upgraded to a batwing fender on the front. This is a real cool look. Got a shorty tinted windshield. If you want to put a stereo on that batwing fender, I'm sure it wouldn't be much of a problem. You also got these spot lamps added on there. Few rock chips here on the front fender. Got a nice tire, plenty of tread to match the rear. A little bit of oxidation on these lower fork legs. Nice mag wheels. All our bikes go through the service shop. This one's been safety inspected. It's safe to ride. Let's see how many miles we got. 31,331 miles. So she's a rider. Go ahead and start it up so you can hear those Cobra pipes. I think you got to hold the clutch in to start it. Pops right off. It's got a nice idle to it. No funny noises coming from the engine. Revs up nice and clean, just a real smooth running bike. A lot more life left in this one. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for watching.